Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone found in men and women. In men, the testicles primarily make testosterone, and this testosterone is most commonly associated with sex drive in men. Women ovaries also make testosterone, though in much smaller amount. Let us first see how our body makes testosterone. This whole thing gets kicked off in our brain. When our hypothalamus detects that our body needs more testosterone, it secretes a hormone called gonadotropin, which is a releasing hormone. The gonadotropin releasing hormone make its way over to the pituitary gland in the back of our brain. When our pituitary gland detects the gonadotropin releasing hormone, it starts producing two hormones. One is follicle stimulating hormone, which is FSH, and luteinizing hormone, which is LH. Now this follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone goes down to our testicles through bloodstream. When these two hormones reaches to the testicles, the first hormone, which is follicle stimulating hormone, kicks off sperm production, and the second hormone, which is luteinizing hormone, simulates the Leydig cells in our testicles to create more testosterone. So this is how testosterone is developed in our body. Now this testosterone helps bring on the physical changes that turns boy into a man, and this time of life is called puberty. In this puberty stage, the production of testosterone starts to increase significantly, and you will be seeing some major changes in our body. The first change is like growth of body hair and then muscle development. When testosterone increases muscle mass, it also helps male exercise more efficient. Deepening of the voice. This testosterone will make the vocal cords thicker and thicker. This thicker vocal cords in turn produces a deeper and lower pitch. In adult men, it controls sex drive. This testosterone plays a big part in men's health, but perhaps its most meaningful role is to fuel sex drive and performance. Testosterone levels tends to decrease with age. They peak up early adulthood and then can drop up to 1% per year, beginning around 40. Sometimes an abrupt fall occurs because of an injury or illness. When testosterone level drops too low, men can experience a lackluster libido and erectile dysfunction. So testosterone is the main reason for erectile dysfunction. Next, coming to maintaining the muscle mass. If you are overweight, then lose some weight, because weight loss is the best way to increase testosterone and prevent muscle mass. It helps in sperm production. Testosterone has a primary role in controlling and synchronizing male sex desires. If testosterone is good, then sperm production also will be good. Testosterone helps in maintaining good bone mass density. The testosterone level depends on the age and health. When you are in mid-20s, your testosterone will be at high, but gradually as the age goes on increasing, there will be a step-by-step dip in testosterone as well as our sex drive. The following table shows healthy levels of total testosterone in the body. If you see at the age of 15 to 20, the testosterone will be at max if you are healthy. If you want, you can check your testosterone level by simple blood test. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe.